Desire is important to show in every chapter of your book. Not just your main character's desire, everyone's desire. We're going to look at the best-selling book, Six of Crows by Leigh Bardugo. She spells out what her characters want in every chapter. Let's look at chapter 1. Juiced is the POV character. He's trying to think of something clever and romantic to say to Anya. That's his first desire. Then he sees their boss giving Anya a drug that amplifies her powers, and he tells the guard to cut off this little boy's thumb to see if she can heal it. The boy shoves his hands between his legs, of course, so we know what he wants. Do not cut off my thumb. Then we learn what Juiced wants. I should stop this, Juiced thought. I should find a way to protect her. Both of them. This is his first desire, but after mulling it over, he changes his mind. In a burst of shame, I want to keep my job. Anya then makes the guard shoot the glass. So we see her desire. She doesn't want the boy to be injured, and she'll do anything to stop it. Then she uses her power to stop everyone's desire to run. They're basically frozen, including Jude. His heart was free of worry and desire. He longed for nothing, wanted nothing. That's not good, right? Maybe he should want to run? So opposing desires increase tension. You have to think of all your characters. You have to know them all well and think of how they can want opposite things. Make sure we know what your main character's desire is so we can cheer them. And when they hit obstacles, we're like, oh no. I'm Kim Purcell, and this is the Busy Writer Workshop. Hit subscribe for fast tips.